Okay, so I got my buddy Rich over today, and he had a little problem on his Mazda SX5 or whatever the hell this thing is. Anyway, so we repainted a bumper for him, a bumper cover to put on. We're taking the old one off now. We normally don't do this, but I'm going to show you why you would buy an old car over a new car. So I can't remember the year of this car again. I think it was a 2015, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like that.
2015 here. So we're all in here. Sean's working on the box, working away. Chris and I are working on this. And I've never seen this in my life, but Sean's familiar with it. Look at this, people. In behind the bumper on your Mazda is a piece of packaging foam like you'd find at Walmart when you buy a TV.
That's actually called a bumper cover.
That's yeah, this is the bumper cover, correct?
Yeah.
This is. And then what do you call that piece of foam back there? Junk. So we were talking, now this here is your new car. So when you get in an accident, that's supposed to, oh, it's even got, look at this, it's even got an arrow on it, tells you which way it's got to go upright. So, but this is exactly, when you get in an accident, that's supposed to, I guess, help you from squishing or denting, would you say, or something?
Yeah, yeah.
I guess so. I guess so.
Well, the whole thing, the frame,
Yeah.
the squish.
Yeah, it squishes in.
Yeah.
But I mean, the thing is there's no protection there, really.
No.
So we were all discussing, this is why you'd buy an old car over a new car, because what's there to save anyone if that's just a hunk of foam behind there? You know, this is why new cars need airbags, because obviously you're going to get squished in, where an old car doesn't need airbags because it's solid metal. You agree, Sean? Yeah, Sean's worked on several of these. So, I don't know.
Anything more than a minor bumper impact, it's a write-off.
Yeah, it is nowadays, right? Yeah, they write everything off.
Yeah.
And pretty much Chris and I mean, I've never taken one off. I don't know if Chris has before, but we were here for like, what, maybe 15 minutes and it's off.
They come off easy.
Yeah. So, I guess, you know, if yours is broken and you see another car at Walmart in the parking lot, you can just quickly exchange it.
Just make sure the color's right.
Yeah, make sure the color's right and away you go. I mean, this is what's holding your vehicles together nowadays. Plastic clips. And the thing is, you run these new cars through car washes and all the plastic clips break, everything starts falling off. This is why we're old time garage and not new time garage. But we are working on this because it's for a friend of mine, my builder. So there are certain cases we will work on new stuff. But anyway, that's it. We wanted to just give you a quick insight of how your Mazda, whatever the hell this is. Yeah, look at that. There we go. There's your bumper cover. Yeah. I think we need them plastic things, don't we? Yeah. So there's your water jug down in there. You got everything. Now you get a good look at that. Yeah. Well, that's it.